Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to hand pollinate your watermelon flowers. I've got bees flying around my garden everywhere right now, which is great. But a couple weeks ago, there wasn't a bee in sight in my watermelon patch. By hand pollinating some flowers, I was able to get a jump start on my watermelon growing season. Last year I made a video on how to hand pollinate watermelon flowers by removing the male flower and dabbing it onto the female flower. But this year I decided to use cotton swabs to transfer pollen from the male to the female flowers, and it worked out really well. I've had really good results. The other method works as well, but using this method you don't have to pull any flowers off. You want to collect pollen from your male flowers. The way to do this is just to take your cotton swab and get around the edges of the center of the flower like that. Here's the pollen I collected from this flower. And you do want to collect pollen from several male flowers because it takes several visits from bees to fully pollinate a flower. And this is the female flower we're going to be pollinating. As you can see, there's a tiny little watermelon grown just below the flower. That's how you can tell it's a female. Here's the Q-tip with the male pollen on it. And we're just going to rub it in here in the center of the female flower. And this is something that you're going to want to do as early as possible, right after the flowers open in the morning. If you wait till later in the day to try to pollinate your flowers, you're going to find that there isn't any pollen left on the male flowers. And remember, like I said before, collect as much pollen as you can get from several male flowers. And if you only have 2 or 3 open male flowers, just get as much pollen as you can from those flowers. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.